Alright, did some video a few days ago of getting into this thing, but I'll have to see if I can find it, put this all together. So, I was having some problems with this thing not running right. This is a Novak Racing Ballistic brushless motor, 21.5 turn. 3 screws there that hold the end cap on. A little bit of dirt in there again. Need to clean this a little bit better. Basically, it was getting real rough. Wasn't running very smooth. So the magnet pulls out. I've had this apart once before, but I've already cleaned most of the heavy dirt out of it. But thought, watched a video online that showed me a little bit different way to do it. And then you take this piece off, little collar, and then that end piece comes off. And there's dirt in there too. So, it doesn't have the signs of being cooked, so I think we're alright. I don't know how well you can see inside there. I got the camera on a tripod, so I can't really get it in any closer, but it doesn't want to focus for us. But snagged a brush, and I don't know what I did with it. Thought I had it here. Oh, there it is, I do. It's not a very stiff bristled brush. But actually she works pretty good. Just cleaning her out a little bit. Got the cat in the background playing with a moth. And of course got the can of compressed air. Blow it off real good, get all the dust and debris and crud off of it. So, all in all, she's not too bad. Like I said, there was a lot of iron in here from probably the high iron content of the dirt around here. And I've never waterproofed this thing, so. But all the electrical contacts look good. One thing they did show, and I may have to pause the camera and grab some stuff. Get the cat trying to sneak into my view here. Actually, why don't I, pardon me for a second, go right off camera and pick up, okay, look out, cats. Subscription card, that'll probably work. I have to cut it down a little bit. Precision cuts. What are you doing in the camera view? I say, let's go this way too. The video I showed from Novak showed taking the cardstock, rolling it up, putting it inside the motor like that. Then when you put, what are you doing to that poor little moth, huh? Come on. Just brush this off real quick. So you put the cardstock in there. That way, hopefully this will work. Doesn't look like it's going to. Of course not. Never works on camera, right? There we go. So that way the cardstock protects the sides of your magnets. And now I can't get the cardstock out. Well, I wedged it in there good. That didn't work out so well. And got most of it out. And maybe it didn't work too bad. I just got to get the rest of the material out. Yeah. Anyway, in theory, it's supposed to just slide right in there and keep it from scratching up the sides. But I think we're good. There's no play in there. Bearings all looked good. Got one bearing on the end piece. There's one on the far end here. Slip it all back together. See if we can't get it to line up here. That may be the hard part. And it recommended not running the screws all the way down. Would help if I had the right size Allen wrench handy. So we can do this so y'all can see. If you just snug them down, you run it a little bit. But I don't think I'm going to do that tonight. I think my battery needs a charge, and I haven't done that yet. I can't kneel like that for too long. I'm too old for this crap. And Cat's looking for her moth now. It's hiding under the truck. Yeah, she found something. Oh, there's a fly on the... I have to try and get a video of her playing with the bugs. She's a pretty energetic little bugger. But yeah, the video recommended not running these down all the way. Just tighten them up just a little bit. Run the motor. And then go back through and double check the screws. Make sure they're not backing out or anything. You don't want things too tight. There's got to be a little bit of free movement in there. She's back to digging under the... And you just go around, snug them up gently. You're trying to hog the camera, Cat. Normally I have lousy luck with doing stuff like this and letting it run again, so we'll have to see how it turns out. And the pinion gear, and I gotta get this thing set again. So not the best of lighting in this spot either. Oh, that's for the... okay. It's been a few days since I tore this thing all apart, so... oh, this isn't going to work the way I wanted it to. That's not the right size. That'll work. I gotta try to get the holes lined up. Get the motor mounted. And I can't see what the flock I'm doing. If I was smart, I'd have this set up on the living room table or something, but Nobody ever accused me of being smart. Okay, just need to get it started is all I want. I think that got her going. One of two, anyway. There's the other one right down there, which is going to be a pain to get to. So I can't really let the chassis move around too much because I got the wiring for the body all attached. I guess I could unplug it, but again, that would require me being smart. So I think if we just come in underneath here and try to aim I think we may have kinda sorta missed it. Oh yeah, we're way off. Now how we're going in there. Alright. Not too tight because we got to adjust it to get the pinion on. Which I was smart enough to place someplace where I couldn't find it again. Oh, there it is, right in front of me. It's getting a little rusty. There we go. So now all I need to do basically is charge up a battery so we can give this thing a test run. That's my bad one. Should just throw that one away. Okay. I think we're probably pretty good. Snug these down. Weasel this one up in there underneath. Alright, that one's okay. We'll have to check that a little bit down the road, but it's got a little bit of slack in her for the slipper clutch to work, and I think we're going to be good for the night. So I will charge the battery, and then probably tomorrow we'll go from there. So see you all in the next one. Bye-bye.